Hello my dear friends. Today I am here for you with an easy and quick chicken recipe which includes only less chopping and cutting procedures. Let's look at the ingredients. Chicken 500 grams finely sliced like this. Chili flakes 2 teaspoons. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Kasuri methi 1 teaspoon. It's called dry methi leaves. Kashmiri chili 1.5 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Coriander leaves 2 tablespoons. Mint leaves 1 tablespoon. 1/2 lemon. Ginger garlic paste 3 teaspoons. Chili tomato sauce 1 teaspoon. Let's look at the process. Place a pan and add 2 tablespoons any cooking oil. Let it heat. After that, add ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell disappears. The raw smell has gone now. Now add all the masalas one by one except the garam masala. Saute the masala for 30 seconds. Then after 30 seconds, when the raw smell goes, add the garam masala and saute it well again. Why? Because if we saute the garam masala more, the spices smell disappears quickly. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Saute it well. Then add the chicken pieces. Saute it again and cook for 3 to 5 minutes by closing it with a lid. See, the chicken is cooking perfectly. Saute it again and cook it. Now the chicken is 80% cooked. Saute it again to reduce the water. Or if you want a bit of a gravy consistency, you can keep the water. You can stop reducing it. chili tomato sauce 1 teaspoon. After that, add 1/2 lemon to get a tangy taste and mix it well. Now the chicken has reached the preferred consistency. Turn off the gas and add the chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. It's a good combination for anything like rice, roti, chapatis, bread, etc. Hope you all enjoy my recipe.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video and if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel by tapping on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon for more tasty recipes.